Hey, I was hoping you'd stop in. Your usual? You got it. You look well rested. Better than last time, at least. What? Seriously? Wow. So, is this a good change, or more of a God, I hope it works kind of change? A bit of both. Yeah, switching jobs tends to do that to people. Still, kudos to you. A lot of people would have just stayed where they were, no matter how it made them feel. When do you start the new job? Cool. So, you're just off for a week then? How fun. Kind of like a spontaneous vacation. Or staycation, I guess. What? You have no plans? You can't be serious. Well, if it were me, I'd be headed to the beach. Sun's out, the water will feel so nice. Plus, it's a weekday, so there shouldn't be too many people. Perfect beach day. No, this is a crime. You can't just waste a perfect day like this. You have to go somewhere, anywhere. Get out of this cafe and go and get some sun. Well, I'm flattered that you enjoy coming here, but my cafe can't give you your daily dose of vitamin D. Yes, I've been told I can be quite annoying when I get like this. You're not the first to tell me that, my friend. Oh, what if I went with you? I'm the owner, remember? I can walk out of here whenever I want. I mean, Erica is really the one running the ship. You good with it, Erica? See, she's practically begging you to take me. You don't want to disappoint Erica, right? Cool. Beach day it is. Let me grab a few things and we'll go. See? Can you picture anything more perfect than this? I knew you'd agree. I really should come to the beach more often. I forgot how much I love it here. Well, I guess I've always liked the water. I grew up near the shore. Used to go surfing with my dad on weekends. But when I got busier in school and then work, I just kind of stopped coming. Which is a shame, because the ocean really grounds me. It reminds me that all of my problems, all my worries, it's nothing compared to this. I mean, look at the water. How it sparkles. It goes on and on for as far as we can see. It's amazing. Yeah, I guess I'm a poet and didn't even know it. God, that was so lame. You seem to just bring that out in me. Yes, the lameness. I'll have you know, I'm normally a very calm and cool person. Like, mysterious aura cool. People walk into my cafe and go, wow, who is this mysteriously cool and calm person? Fine. Mock me all you want. So, what about you? Last time I saw you, you were worse for wear. Are things better? That's not really an answer. Look, maybe it's not really my place, but you've been coming in almost daily now. My staff and I look forward to seeing you. Like, a lot. But when you look stressed or sick, we worry, you know? Yes, I worry. I shouldn't, but I do. You just. You remind me of a baby chick. I feel like if you're left to your own devices, you'll end up getting swept away by a fox or something. Right. Weird analogy. It made more sense in my head. What I'm trying to say is, just take care of yourself. And if you can't do that, well, let others help you. Okay? Sorry, I'm babbling. God, I always babble around you. It's cute. You mean that? Or are you messing with me again? Fine, fine. Keep your secret. So, what do you say we head back in a few hours? In the meantime, we can do whatever you want. I promise. No need to thank me. I'm just glad we get to spend this time together.